Hello America, my name is Asset Sabb and I serve as the Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Chechen Republic of Ичкерия. I'm pleased to announce that the next Forum of Free Nations of Post-Russia will take place in Washington, D.C. on June 12. At this important event, experts in foreign affairs and geopolitics will come together to discuss the most effective strategies for the United States and for the free world to counter and deter Russia's aggressive behavior. I will participate in this forum as a speaker and as a representative of the Chechen government in exile. The Forum of Free Nations of Post-Russia is a platform that unites colonized nations leading anti-colonial and national liberation struggle against Russian imperialism. What can the deoccupation of Chechnya and the North Caucasus bring to America? The North Caucasus is a dynamic and strategically important region in Eastern Europe, offering enormous untapped potential. With a territory of 355,000 square kilometers, it is rich in natural resources including gas, oil, minerals, and enjoys vital access to both the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. A free and independent North Caucasus has the potential to become a valuable partner, opening the door for American companies to explore a new market filled with new opportunities. Today, however, the North Caucasus remains a closed zone for the United States due to Russian occupation. By strengthening economic and political ties with the liberated North Caucasus, the United States of America can enhance its global leadership, secure new trade and energy partnerships, and reinforce the cause of freedom and self-determination. Therefore, we look forward to engaging in meaningful dialogue and working alongside our partners to advance freedom, peace, economic prosperity, and security. See you in Washington.